So the next proofs cos into tan equal to sin theta. You have to prove it. It is a very simple proof. Cos you write as it is cos. Tan can be written as sin by cos. I have given to you. Cos gets cancelled. P, P, H, Y not allowed. Directly you have to prove. Remember. By using P, P, H, Y, if you want to prove, you won't get marks in that. By using the formulas only you have to. This is the first proof. There is one line question. Here also the same. Sin, cos means cos by sin. Sin will get cancelled. Your answer cos will. The third bit. Sin square by cos plus cos will 1 by cos. This you have to check it. LCM taking, I am taking cos sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square I have already given 1 by cos. That is true. That's all. PBHYs are not allowed. Again and again I am saying, by using these properties which I have given in the initial first video, that only you have to use. Okay. Now the number 31 proofs. These are all here proofs only. In 31, the questions again we have to prove some questions. Bit 1. Prove that sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square. What to do? It is very simple proof. A plus B whole square. Expansion formula we are going to use here. A plus B whole square here, A minus B whole square here. Check. Or directly also you can do. But most of the students don't know the formula. So step by step rule. So sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin cos. I think you understand what I have. A square plus B square plus 2AB. The second part. Sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin cos. Because minus 2AB will come there. These two together 1. These two together 1. Plus 2 sin minus 2 sin gets cancelled. Overall your answer is 2. Only expand the given question. First by using A plus B whole square. Second by using A minus B whole square. Expanding 2AB terms will get cancelled. Whatever is left is your answer. Okay? That is bit number 1. Now bit number 2. Bit number 2, cot square A minus 1 by sin square A plus 1 equal to 0. 0 you have to. Okay? Cot square can be written as cos square by sin square minus 1 by sin square plus 1. Take LCM all together. Sin square is LCM. Here it is cos square. Here it is 1. Here it is sin square. First and third together gives you 1. 1 minus 1. These two together gives you 1. Cos square plus sin square 1. 1 minus 1 by sin square. That is 0 by sin square. That is 0. I think you understand. First and third together 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 by anything is 0 only. Now the third bit. The third bit, 1 by 1 plus tan square, 1 by 1 plus cot square, 1. 1 by, this formula I have given, check it. 1 first CD I have given the 1 plus tan square I have given sec square, check it once. 1 plus cot square I have given for sec square. This directly I have to see. 1 by sec square means it is reciprocal of cos square. 1 by cos square means sin square together. Okay? Now, question number 32. These are all simple questions. Root over 1 minus sin square by 1 plus sin square. 1 minus cos square, sorry. So 1 minus sin square, what you can write? Cos square. This also I have given. Sin square. Square root is given, means one cos will come out, one sin will come out. Cos by sin gives you the cot. Over. This is 32 number. Okay. Now 33. In 33, if sin theta plus cosec theta equal to 2, find sin square plus cosec square. This is a question. Okay? Simple. sine plus cosec whole square expanded according to a plus b whole square. Means squaring both sides I am doing. Squaring both sides by squaring both sides. So what you will get? Expand sine square plus cosec square plus 2 sine cosec is equal to 4. 2 square is 4. Okay. That implies sine square plus cosec square. Sine to cosec 1 I have given. Check it. This is also given in the formula. 2 into 1 2. That 2 you take the side. Therefore sine square plus cosec square also you may get 2 only. 4 minus 2 plus 2 I have taken, that's it. 2 minus 2. And the last question for this chapter, let us see. It is a very good proof. X is given a cos plus b sin. Y is given a sin minus b cos. Prove that x square plus y square is a square. This you have to prove. Okay, let us prove. X square you find out. X square में it will be square of this a plus a cos plus b sin whole square equal to what is it? A square cos square plus b square sin square plus 2ab sin cos. Okay, 2ab sin cos. This part if it is not visible here. 2ab sin cos. Okay. If it is not in this side, right? X square is equal to a cos plus b sin whole square. Expand according to a plus b whole square. A square cos square plus b square sin square plus 2ab sin cos. 3 terms you may get. Okay. Now similarly, y square is equal to a sin minus b cos whole square. A square sin square plus b square cos square minus 2ab sin cos. Add the results. If you add the results, LHS part will become x square plus y square. Here you take a square common, cos square plus sin square. B square common, sin square plus cos. Plus 2ab sin cos minus these 2 terms will get cancelled. Okay. Now a square into 1, b square into what is the results I have given already. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So at last a square plus b square. Therefore x square plus y square. So most of the important questions I did in the class in these videos. Whatever is left to try to solve. Okay, the problems will arise later. We will see when the school reopens. But you have to follow the chapter test as well, not all the bits. Particularly, I will tell you what are required from chapter test. Question 8 not required. Remember, only you have to do 2 both bits, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 also not required. Mean 2 to 7 you have to do chapter test questions and examples also you try to follow. Do the example before starting the exercise. In the earlier case also I told. This method you follow and try see how you are improving in your mathematics part. Because here most of the students directly copying from the copy book, all these things, they may not able to cope up. So before you are starting the exercise, you should do the worked examples, go through the basic concepts of the things, then try to solve. Then you may feel easier while solving the questions of the exercise. Is it clear? Okay. With this, I will conclude my lesson. Okay. Whatever the questions were left, try to solve yourself. And if you have any doubt, because this chapter may be in your second unit test. Second unit test. So, be ready for the next part of the lesson. Okay. Right. Bye.